Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Cheza. I do daily vlogs, travel vlogs, whenever I can, I travel. Yeah, I travel, baby. But anyway, you're not here for that. So today we're going to be doing an aesthetic decoration video. So this is my first time actually doing this kind of video because I've never had a very big apartment. This is like my bigger apartment. I loved my apartment, my new apartment. So the one that I actually had previously was very small and I was sharing with someone else, so I didn't have the opportunity to change everything, and I actually wanted to stay longer in that apartment, but yeah, I ended up terminating my contract. But now I have a very big space, and yeah, I want to be creating this corner, this blank corner, if you can see this blank corner, all of it, for my videos, Instagram videos or TikTok videos. So yeah, this is going to be my aesthetic corner. So the main inspiration is coming from Pinterest. I've been seeing a lot of videos on Pinterest and a lot of pictures that I want to actually imitate. So yeah, one of them is this one and this one and this one and that one. Yeah, I don't know, I can make up my mind. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty excited, to be honest. I'm pretty excited, and hopefully you guys like this video. And yeah, if you want to know more about the products that I'm going to be using, I shared them with you in another video, which is my IKEA haul video. And if you just want to get inspiration from IKEA showrooms, I also have another video about IKEA showrooms. I guess take you through one of IKEA's showrooms. Yeah, it's been a hectic day for me, to be honest, today. So let's get into the video. But before we do that, I just want to show you the mat that I'm going to be using, because this is going to be a silent vlog. So I never talked about this mat, so I feel like I have to talk about it. So this mat is from Shein. It's actually nice. It's thin, but it's nice. I would recommend that you buy maybe the ones from IKEA because it was beautiful. But yeah, Shein, we're going to be using this. So let's get into the video now. Ha! The way, did I tell you that this is going to be a silent video? So yeah, this is going to be a silent video. Sorry, I'll put captions and everything, but yeah, it's going to be a silent video. I hope you like it.
There's no way. I'm already still burning. So hold me close, now baby. I do what I'm told, still learning. To take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm. No longer wishing, you're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1 million life, yeah. We could roll the dice. Act like you're surprised, but you already know. Oh yeah, got lucky overnight. Jackpot when I got the invite. Let me wrap my arms around you, cause I can't go home without you. And my heart just vibe with you, babe. Wanna go sky high with you, babe. Gotta bring you close to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. Cooler than cold, I'm all in. So load up the dice, so heavy. so sick, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way to me live. I do the world I've seen. We are nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold that they buy? That's all they need to shit. And then I really put it too far. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set. All in the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything won't take it. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Yeah, no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Okay guys, I'm done. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Like, I really think I'm done. So, I'm gonna show you what I did. Sorry for the noise. I'm just gonna show you what I've done. Don't mind the bags because I don't have storage. I can paste for storage. Anyway. Okay, let me show you how it looks.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
This is how the whole place looks. Don't mind what you're saying in the mirror because this is how the other side looks after the hole and everything. But yeah, this is how the corner looks. This is like the perfect aesthetic. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to take pictures in it. So there you have it guys. You can actually just make your own aesthetic corner using, this didn't cost much, to be honest. It didn't cost much. It didn't cost more than 1,000, but yeah. It didn't cost much, but yeah, this is where my videos are going to be beginning and ending. I love this. So please, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can go and search for Amina Dynamite. I'll be doing reels on Instagram starting tomorrow for my clothes. So this is the whole reason I built it. Oh, I forgot to show you the carpet. So smooth. So yeah, this is the carpet. Everything is on the carpet, so it's just like, this is how it all looks like. I love the place. I love this. So I'm also just gonna start another video again, and now I'll be decorating my work table because it's a whole mess. So if you like this kind of videos, please go and watch the next video. It's going to be also a decorate with me. I think I'm just gonna do my workspace and the TV area because it's one room anyway. So I'm just gonna do that now with you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Shit, always doing something unholy. He makes you cry.